Okay, today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make a few dollars, like some free money for real, for real. Okay, let me get the link first. Just go. This gonna be in the description. You gonna press this. As you can see, they gonna give you $40 just for signing up. What you wanna do? You wanna copy my code. After you copy my code, you wanna go to download the app. And basically, what you're gonna do is just read these instructions and it's gonna tell you what to do. You have to download Test Flight first, and then you download Street Beat Investing. After you download both of them, let me show you how it's gonna look. It's gonna come up like this. You're gonna press accept. You're gonna open. And when you sign up with my link, you automatically get $40 just for signing up with my link. So yeah, you guys, that's a quick $40 you can make right now. And the links is also in the description. And there's a few more links in the description you can check out too for to make a few more free dollars.